Hey, let's see what's going on today. Look at that. Look at that. Yep, they're actually fixing shit. Oh yeah, they're actually fixing it. Only took 2 years. MARTINEZ fucking destroyed this place, and now they're starting to fix it, but wow. So that's just the beginning. Well, yeah, at least it's going to be a little safer down here now with being able to drive. But they are working on stuff. Took 2 years to destroy this place. It's going to take longer than a month to fix it, but you can actually see stuff's beginning to get fixed. I was a cannabis medic, and this is my life at the Advantage Ghetto.